Chapter 1. Tommy's Faithfulness. Faithfulness makes not only human beings but even the animals great. Here is a story of the animal who is popular and admired by all because of its faithfulness. Come, let's read. Said Arjun Das, a wealthy man in a town, had a faithful pet dog named Tommy. Both loved and affectionate towards each other. At night, Tommy was very alert. One night, Tommy saw a thief climbing down the vent pipe in the house and began to bark. The thief Bill's efforts became futile, and thinking that he would be beaten, Blue and Black disappeared. Tommy didn't stop barking. Arjun Das, waking up from his sleep, came out and found none. For being disturbed, Arjun Das became furious and lashed Tommy vigorously with his belt. He also warned Tommy that he would break his legs if he did it again. Later, one night, another thief broke open the safe and filled his bag with money and jewelry. Tommy was watching all this very carefully, but didn't bark, remembering the warning of his master. Arjun Das, waking up in the morning, saw that he was looted and began to wail. Tommy, having seen where the thief buried the booty, caught hold of his shot and led him to the place and dug out the hidden bag of stolen money and jewelry. Arjun Das' joy knew no bounds and embraced Tommy for his faithfulness. He felt pity for the punishment that he gave without recognizing his fidelity. He requested Tommy forgive him and promised that he would never punish him again. The master praised that Tommy was really great. Word meaning: vent, an opening that allows air, gas, or liquid. Lash, to hit somebody with force. Vigorously, very actively, with full of energy. Hurriedly, done too quickly. Buried, hit something in the ground. Booty, a collection of valuables that are stolen. Stunned, surprised. Peevishly, irritably. Yelp, a sudden short cry, usually of pain. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. How would Seth Arjun Das show his affection for his pet dog, Tommy? Answer. Arjun Das would give his pet dog Tommy a bath and feed him with his own hands. He would also take him for a stroll in the morning and evening. Question 2. What did Tommy do when he saw the thief? Answer. When Tommy saw the thief, he started barking. Question 3. Why did Seth Arjun Das beat Tommy with a belt? Answer. Tommy disturbed Arjun Das' sleep when he barked at the thief. So Arjun Das beat Tommy with a belt. Question 4. Why did Tommy not bark when he saw another thief in the house? Answer. Tommy remembered his master's warning that he would break Tommy's legs if he barked again. So Tommy did not bark when he saw another thief in the house. Question 5. How did Tommy help Arjun Das to cover his booty? Answer. Tommy caught hold of Arjun Das' shirt and began to drag it. He led him all the way to the place in the forest where the thief had buried the booty. He dug out the bag from the earth and gave it to his master. Thus Tommy helped Arjun Das to recover his booty. B. Write true or false for the following sentences. Vocabulary. A. Add ing to these words. Make the necessary changes in spelling. B. Complete these phrases by filling opposites of the first word of each. Grammar. A. Use the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. B. Look at the pictures. Ask questions beginning with whose. C. Name 3 things which go with these. Speaking. Work in pairs. Talk about animals that are kept as pets in our homes. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a kitten. Does it chase mouse in your home? Yes. What does it eat? It does not eat. It drinks only milk. Talk about the following: a dog, a rabbit, a parrot. 1. A dog. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Does it chase cats in your home? Yes. What does it eat? It eats biscuits and meat. 2. A rabbit. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a rabbit. Does it chase any animals? No. What does it eat? It eats vegetables. 3. A parrot. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a parrot. Does it sing songs? Yes. What does it eat? It eats fruits. Writing. Do you have a pet in your house? If yes, write about it. If not, write about an animal that you would like to keep as a pet. Think upon the following points first and then start writing. 1. Name of the pet. 2. Eating habits of the animal. 3. How do you show your love for him? 4. How it shows its love for you. 5. How do you take care of it? 6. Does it help you in any way or not? My pet. My pet dog's name is Penny. It eats biscuits and meat. It drinks milk too. I love him very much. It also has a great love for me. It is very faithful to me. I give him a bath every day and I feed him well. It guards our house.